Please hang up and try again.
Hey, what's up everyone? Louis Tran here. In this video, we're going to take a look at the LG Puricare Mini. I actually first heard of this thing from one of my favorite YouTubers, Justin Say, so I was pretty excited to learn that something like this existed. At first glance, it looks like a pair of Bluetooth speakers. In fact, it even pairs to your phone like a pair of Bluetooth speakers and has an app which you can control, which I'll get to later. The LG Puricare Mini is a portable air purifier that cleans 99% allergens and pollutants, certified by the British Allergy Foundation. It weighs about 1 pound and is about the same size as my Sony Here Go speakers, and it easily fits in a backpack. Why I'm excited about this is because I have pretty bad allergies, especially living here in Austin. In my house, I have a Honeywell that's on all day in the living room, a Dyson in the bedroom, and I don't really have anything in my office except I vacuum every week because we have a cat that roams around. Not only that, I travel back and forth to LA and other cities quite a bit, and I have allergies just about everywhere I go. With this, I can easily throw in a backpack and take it with me. The Puricare Mini is very well built and charges via USB-C, and you can keep it running all day if you wanted to if you have it plugged in. On battery, it lasts about 8 hours, so you can run it while you sleep. Aside from the fan controls on the unit and gauge the air quality from the light on the device, there is an app for both iOS and Android which you can download. At first, I thought it was all going to be in Korean because that's what it shows in the App Store, but thankfully there's an option for English. On that app, you can easily look at the air quality, turn it on and off, control the fan settings, and get info on the weather which pulls the data. You also have the ability to monitor the health of the replaceable filter, and which lasts about 2,000 hours, and LG sells them for $10 each. Now, how effective is this? Well, I've used this for about half a year already, and looking at the filter, it's pulled quite a bit of dust in the air. Also, when I spray something out of an aerosol can, it right away notices the change in the air condition and will aggressively blast the fans to filter the air. Also, I sleep better and snore less having this by my bedside. What's great is that I can easily pack this and take it traveling with me and use it in a hotel room or an Airbnb. Now, here's another cool trick you can do. Put it into your PC case and it will reduce the dust buildup. It fits perfectly, and you can connect the internal USB-C connection from the motherboard and have it charge the Puricare Mini. I've never left this thing in my PC long term, but it's worth noting that you could do it. LG currently sells this for $179, but I've seen deals where this was as low as $149 or even less. I'll have the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.